Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the basics under the hood. Plug the headset firmly, pick USB or 3.5 correctly, and make sure Windows sees it. Once done, disable other microphones so drivers focus on the BlackShark V2, and then select it explicitly in sound settings. You do this to remove device conflicts and force an initial handshake. This step prevents the system from routing audio elsewhere and prepares the software layer for the more targeted fixes that follow. Next, install or update RAZER Synapse so the headset firmware and virtual mixers are correct. Synapse often restores mute toggles and mic gain. Then open Device Manager to uninstall audio inputs and reinstall drivers so Windows recreates the device entry cleanly. While doing that, ensure Windows privacy settings allow microphone access for desktop apps and background apps, because blocked access makes the mic look dead even if drivers are fine. These steps reset software layers that commonly break mic routing. Finally, run a practical test in Voice Recorder or an online mic tester. Adjust the mic gain and toggle any physical mute switch while watching input activity to verify sound. If it still fails, try the headset on a second PC or a phone adapter to determine whether the microphone element or cable is bad. If hardware proves faulty, update the firmware in Synapse once more. If that fails, contact RAZER support. Key troubleshooting tip: swapping devices isolates whether the problem is software or a dead microphone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.